is Yannick Charbonneau, and my dealer name is Groupe Gymdex from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. This is a dealership for every equipment, sales, rental, and fixed repair. We repair a lot of every equipment.
I'm Charbonneau, and the dealer is Groupe Gymdex. Gymdex is started in 2007, but I feel like I've been in the business for so many years. Since my dad started the business, we were very young.
We were the first dealership in Canada for LiuGong North America, and it still begins to grow and grow every day. And with the good products, so we do a good job in Canada.
And we were looking for complementary products to add to the line we had already. We were specifically in attachment for excavator, and we were looking for more products to offer to our customer.
In 2008 in CanExpo, Vegas, Las Vegas, in show. So we decided to want to sell equipment, so we decided to go with LiuGong after a couple check-up on all other machines.
I believe we decided to join the LiuGong family in 2008.
We start with 842 wheel loaders.
So we decided before having customer and doing a sale, we needed to try the equipment first. So we bought the own equipment, the first one. So Yannick tried it, tested.
Business, we focus a lot on the recycling center to sell excavator for doing recycling and digging too on construction, and we have a lot of business on snow removing for loader sell. So we sell a lot of loader for snow removing and to recycling center too.
Say more and more, the brand is more known now, and people starting to see more LiuGong on the road and on the Facebook pages and the marketing parts of the business, so they are curious and they are asking about it.
Yeah, we have a couple customers that they come back and they are still with LiuGong after 10 or 11 machines, after 10 years. So people look at that and say, if this guy has 10 machines, I can have one, and he buy one.
Our local supplier here is Gymdex. We have a great relationship with him. Support-wise, he's always there, always over the phone. One phone call and he comes running. He has a mobile unit that comes right away in the yard. We don't have to transport material. Service is excellent, parts are available. I have nothing to complain about on that side. The service is excellent.
Our local dealer is the Groupe Gymdex. Parts are always available, good service, and we like it pretty much.
This year I think we sold in about 35, 40 units on a year. For us it's a good year and we are very proud about that. I think that we are a family of LiuGong. We're going in the convention, people talk to you, ask to you what you want to change, what do you like, what do you don't like, and they remember, they give them back, and when I think they are proud about our dealer that's doing his job.
LiuGong is like a family, so that says much. We feel supported with LiuGong North America, and I mean, we're LiuGong.
I think that for LiuGong, because a lot of people are scared about the name, but they are scared about the parts and the service. So when you're doing a good job on the service and parts, the rest come with it. To be a LiuGong dealer, you need to have the heart for LiuGong, and the name of LiuGong is very important for us. We are proud about LiuGong name, so we have the name on the building and everything on the truck. So when the customer come here, they don't come to Gymdex, they come to a LiuGong house. That's very important for us.